Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Mechanics, in this video we're going to show you how to remove the glove box on a Audi A4. This one is the 2003 model, so it will be the same from about 2002 all the way until 2006, I think. So right here is the glove box, and what you need is only 8mm socket and a flathead screwdriver. And this glove box, the hinges are broken, okay, as you can see right there, they're completely broken. Somebody tried to glue them together and it didn't work. So now today we're going to remove the whole assembly so we can take it apart and see if we can fix it or actually replace it with a new one. So there is two bolts. We already removed them to save you guys time. One right there and one right there with 8mm socket, and one there in that hole, one in this hole, and one in the hole there as well. So now, okay, now when you go underneath the glove box, right there, there is one more in this hole, right there, and one on this side. So you need to remove it as well. But in order to remove it, you need to remove that plastic cover right here with the help of a flathead screwdriver. There is 3 clips holding it, and this should be the only one holding right now. We have all others removed already, so just this little screw with the 8mm socket, and the whole assembly should come right out of there. Okay, now there is one wire that it was actually unhooked. We were supposed to unhook it, but they didn't hook it last time. This is for the light for the glove box, so you need to unhook this one and you just pull it out of there now. Okay, there is another light, that's the one for the feet. The one when you open the door, it activates the light for your feet, so we need to unhook it as well. Okay, this is the whole assembly coming out of there, so you can now replace it with a new one if you need to. We're going to attempt to repair this one. Okay, thank you guys for watching us. If you have any questions, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.